Ever spent forever trying to pry off a stubborn O-ring or seal during a car repair? It's so annoying and you often end up damaging the part or your fingers. But then I found this 4-piece oil seal screwdriver set. Seriously, it's a game changer. Each tool has a different hook shape, making it super easy to grab and pull out seals. The sturdy metal picks make quick work of even the most lodged-in gaskets. No more struggling. Car repairs are so much smoother now. It's truly essential. Over 5,000 sold and 4.9 stars for a reason. Grab yours at a huge discount below.